Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about your vehicle and different ways of repairing and with today's technology. In the older days when you purchased a vehicle, if something went wrong, something needed to be updated, it was usually mechanical. You'd take the vehicle in, they'd replace a component, maybe make some mechanical adjustments for the drivability, and off you'd go. Today, nothing could be further from the truth. We deal in a lot of electronics, just like everything as technology is changing. So a lot of repairs are done by changing software, adaptability on things, updating, changing perimeters, etc. For drivability concerns, efficiency concerns with the catalytic converter, if we're getting check engine lights and it's still working properly. Software is a big repair, and there's often a lot of updates. It's extremely important that you take your vehicle to a facility like the West Automotive Group that has the availability to download and reprogram the modules in your vehicle, including the powertrain control computers, ABS, climate control inside your vehicle, all kinds of different modules that have to do with drivability and control of the entire vehicle. If you do so, then your vehicle can often be repaired without replacing components. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.